original Big Mama 1. Mama 1. Was say, the lazy no, what it is so. A year who 50%.
50%.
Dear a year £100 no, a year £50. Near a year £50 no, a year £25.
Yes.
Dear year £40, a year 20. Adofo a mo hwe Juu Tv. Say dey bia ka kire mo na yesi se wo hwe Juu TV a. Bo modern subscribe to your channel no. Like, share na wi a wa ma comment. Mo yesa e ma ye mo vim, e ma ye mora na boost ye immune system no. Ama ya hoden. Dada, ama ye dia ye program foforo e dia bro. Me say ene ye wo ye nuaba papa bi. Ai, wa oba wa bobra. Mwanga samunim no mama. Big Mama. Mama 1. Ai, ene yo Mama 1, Big Mama 1 and chain. Big Mama apart from na other business no, osan wo business we say ya, o ton laser. Chese enya sam keto what you say? Lazy mu lazy. Ai, lazy mu lazy pa. Enti ene Big Mama e ba be bon kombo. Na Big Mama a chaye e kwan ya o fa so a o start say o ton ni lazy. Big Mama ya ma wakwa baba Juu TV so.
Me jo so minua.
Minua ba na pomo ti say.
Boko na so e.
Nyame adom. E ba ne say na o ye wa adwen say. Wo besan aton lazy aka wa da business no ho because me hwe wo lazy ya ene ne make ka ho a. Minua enya sam keto a eye frankasa. Ai, e ba ne say na wo ye wa adwen so beton lazy. Me pese wo church mu anu nso mu.
Okay. The reason why me imagine say beton lazy ne say me obi a me pedwadi. Me timi unsa me nkasa me hobby a.
Ai,
me pedwadi.
Be your hobby because me say me hobby adwuma. Me adwuma pa. Adwuma mi wo ya ma me off na mbuafu. Me adwuma pa. Yenko.
Enti no lace no na me ton dokono. But lace ni de na me ton wo fie.
Okay.
Na dokono so na me the call rounds. Ana nyame adom me beji shopping tin beji shop no.
Okay.
Ana me ka che fie ne so me ye aduane wo market ni inside.
Okay.
But I have say no me pese me di me lace na wo fie no. Me be because me hu ne say me wa ha no mo ton aduane a lace ni me ntimi nya kwan hwe wo fie.
Okay.
Enti me imagine say me di lace ni be ba ha. Aba beton.
Na lazy bebe we nyina na egu dem.
Egu mi fi o pa, ebi kra ka ho, ebi kusu ho. Enti mi kusu a me hihye wie kra.
Na Big Mama of here also. Hey, me ba be pe ba bia da Big Mama of here.
Na ba be da lazy so.
Na okay. We ya wadwen say we beje shop we ya wadwen so beton lazy. We started lazy so how say na also who lazy business no so far.
Okay, lace no say no first no me buy na lace no kopa.
Okay.
But say obi esu sika. But yes no kra no omugusu to no baako. And also nso no mitubi wholesale.
Okay.
Me wo silk and organza e wa ha no mo a me di mitubi.
Okay. Ebi ni enhwe.
Ebi monie.
Okay.
Ebi monie.
Okay.
Ana me san wo nya wodin. Wo silk na wodin.
Okay.
We oba time. We oba time. Just me wo no ahoro bebre. Obu wo no mokra on pentuma wodin.
Okay.
Nti me wo ni nyina bi me wo different. Me wo different. Me wo ni different. Ana me tu no wholesale say nso no. Me jeje mu say who
me won say what 50%
half price.
Hey Big Mama.
Me say half price. Just say first na ye di 40 we say e was sequence e wo me di 40 say no sequence there no me dey be ma 25.
Okay.
utomi no achasa ubeto bebre a mesa ato so ubetimi aso abetu bi akwa akoton me show amwa bebre me wo different e wo ho no mo me santonton lace ni amedeji 80 pounds me de age 40 ni 100 me de age 50 ni 100 me de age 50
now lace we say no so a big mama
lace we mo so no first na me de 100 but me de be mama 50
okay half price
half price 5 years and a high quality so
okay
the quality no so high
wow
a high quality so say matete so hum just say oba near 80 pounds me the be ma 40 ni nyina change now so no me wo ni different we want it different we want it different me want it different me want lace no e bia o de sabe so mo bia e half price ana me sa wo brocade nso e wo ho brocade no e bi mo nie brocade no so e bi mo nie aha brocade nam de 100 pounds say uba me de be ma 50 pounds
and also how many years
and also 5 years
5 years okay
ana just say one so now the be bia e be so me we no so no listen me woni na different colors no me wo bebre different colors e wo ho listen no so no me listen so ya me quality ne de enye obi na be ka show the quality no de enye obi na be ka show me wo enema kama me wo enema nkasa obi ye wedding o ye engagement oba me the laces engagement laces me the best show o person me farmer wa me ba be farmer ana o ye wedding so a o lace a me farmer she me laces na bi ni
wow
laces na bi ni
efe
just say dia wo de bepam bia we say no eno ankasa wo ni design da efe colors bia ni wa me wo ni yellow me wo ni purple me wo ni pink me wo different colors different designs ni na so matete so ni na half price matete so half price me wo brocade ni na half price she ne manon so efe ebi mo so na ewo soro ho no
big mama hono kra de ode nha ho de gina ba bi agina na ama me na eni nyina ye betwa ba ma nkofo ahwe
mate
de wo soro ho no aye nuru ho no ye betwa ni nyina de aba ama nkofo ahwe big mama oni ma na eye fe na said ye me hu say half price bo ho ya ampalampala wo se enya agoro na wudie wate so no eno nso so eye kama enti menuanom asama ye pese ye kachira mama mo ati ase ne say original big mama one mama one was say ni lazy no watete so eye hu 50% dia eye 100 pound no eye 50 pounds nia eye 50 pounds no eye 25 pounds
yes
dia eye 40 pound eye 20 enti pomodiara say wo beba na wababa be to be ananse waba be to be akwakoton hwe lazy we say so ne border say efe pa
we say matete so na 130 say me de 65
okay half price
yeah half price
okay
ana chese quality so
quality yeah pa
quality so me want a different colors so I'm saying one two colors
yeah one more to be you we big mama we
say so na 100 say me dey age 50 pounds
50 okay
so
okay
yeah
and na we so
your bad time sequence and also na 130 me dey age 65
okay
about time sequence
okay and this say no E de be pa na wo ka kire wo customers a na wo mo betu.
Okay.
Wo mo betu lazy free wo ho. Ene wo mo nso a wo mo pe. Wo wie nso a Big Mama minim se wo anamfofo a wo nso wo eye enya Ghana for because me gina won cha na wo ton aduane no abrofo nyina me ye nuanom ye nebasifo e bi ba betototo me pese wo kan brofo kakra bi I want you to just introduce yourself and explain this lace for them so that when they want to come and buy they can come and buy okay. English kakra so now they aka ho
yeah this is Big Mama. Big Mama 1. Okay, I sell laces. Right now, I'm doing even less than half price.
Okay.
Yeah, the ones that is up to half price or less.
Okay.
The ones that is £60, I'm doing it 30.
All right.
£40 is £20. I have brocades. I have different lace, different variety. So any ones you want, if you are doing party, wedding, you are going to church, you can even pass here. We are in Ridley Road Market, which is Dalston Market, and the number is number 122. Number 122 Ridley Road. Inside the market, when you come inside the market, you see me. Even if you ask for any like Big Mama, anybody will bring you here. So thank you very much.
Big Mama is popular here.
Of course.
Okay. So Big Mama, if a husband and wife want the same thing, the same clothes,
of course,
they can get it, yeah?
Yeah, if you want to match, you can get it. I have so many different variety that you can match with your husband. Example like this one. You and your husband. Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs.
Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. You can put on this one.
Okay.
If you want any color, you can get it. Any color you want, you can get it.
Okay. What about the one they want you don't have? You can even order it for them.
Okay. Yeah. If you are doing occasion, I have this one is Swiss lace. This one is cord lace, and I have French lace as well.
Okay.
So any kind of lace, I have beads lace as well. So if you are doing occasion, maybe it's no occasion, maybe it's casual wear.
But you want you and your wife to wear,
or your husband or you know, if you are a couple and you want to share, maybe for the family, the whole family. If I don't have, I'll order it for you. So you can come to Big Mama, anything you want, and it's also half price. Also half price, anything you want.
Okay.
I have black lace. This one is black lace.
Even if you want to go to Fundura,
yeah,
you can come here for the black lace also.
Yeah.
Okay, this one also as well.
Yeah.
This one is nice. Oh, how much is this one?
This one for now I'm doing it £60. It was 120.
Oh, it's so good.
Very nice. And it's very rich, very rich lace as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. It's very rich lace. Yeah.
Big Mama. Sabre, your man for already. Tie Big Mama address. Ye me hu se okan. Ba we obi ka o se abro, o ka kire abrofo no. Afa ni kuromfo nso. Wo bebo address a kire wo mo. Se de obi pelezi papa ibia wa bahase aba betubi. For address to dwa, na fa telephone number so to dwa.
Okay, my address no number 122 Ridley Road Market. Over Dalston Market here, me number 122. And now open my telephone number so 077 122 33686.
Big Mama adofo so eda wase bebe. E woni ma papa oton. So they support the community no.
Yeah.
Juu TV. Juu TV ana oguso ehwe no. But more than follow ye Facebook Juu TV, TikTok Juu TV, Instagram Juu TV, and YouTube also Juu TV. Try to subscribe to our channel on YouTube Juu TV. You get what you want there. Any program you will get it from there. Juu TV is there to promote our businesses, African businesses. So if you have any business, try to contact Juu TV. We will come and promote your business for you. And Muntiana Juu TV buyer. See a baby bomo juman who the rule. Said the bay a mount for a woofino. And so be who say, yeah, tia buchino, a butcher for your bobra. And yes, said the beer near your warehouse, near ye and crew to Juma near ye say, Yanso, ye will be papa be, ye wadio ye, yeah. A higher na Juu TV, ye de mobisi. But modia, na subscribe to your channel no. Ye de masi baby, menuaba, and ye, menuaba mamma one chawadofo. Oh, chawadofo customers near the neongo.
Mati, my dofo, my customers. Michiamu na big mama ni, michiamu. Misa damasi biem, se ja mobabe boa big mama. Na mwanti mi mama metoa, miso mi niha. Nti midamasi. Michia madofo nyina michia me family nyina Eunice michia obia ne na busuafo michia busuafo ni nyina midamase nso bebre my sister nso ewo Ghana my sister my dear sister Mr. Odamakoma so pa ono so michia no sister Christy michia no pa ne na busuafo nyina
no bisu michia ma me akwedonko why ma me akwedonko ai o vice president bisu michia why no ahaya na Juu TV yedi mo besie modia ai na mo hwe Juu TV na mo subscribe ma mo hwe ne sa keke subscribe na boost me immune system no ai mama big mama and you na mad for baba
bye
bye Papa,